Hello friends, myself Jinu from Jinal Arts. Today I am making a video tutorial on alcoholic ink. So these are Shilpi's alcohol ink. I will be showing you how to use this inks to make a card. You can use this on many surfaces. These are made in India. This is Shilpi's alcohol ink. This is the Savannah color and this is strawberry. This is their Boyop ink. I will show you how to use this Boyop ink too. This is a basic greeting card base and a black cardstock, and this is Yupo paper. I will show you how to use Yupo paper with alcohol ink in a very simple way. This is one of the techniques from which you can make many beautiful cards, envelopes, everything. This is stencil, you can take any designs. These are applicators and felt foam, right? For this you will need this foam. So now we'll start. You have to always work with alcoholic in open ventilation. So this is a very fine tip. They have beautiful shades. This is a fine tip bottle. I will be taking two applicators, one for green color and one for red color. Okay, I am just applying the inks here and there. Depends upon the work area, you have to put the inks. Okay, see, I have just applied this much. I have used green and red both. Okay, so now with my this two hands I am just dabbing the colors, right left. If I want red more, I will put red more. If I want red less, I will dab red less. It is completely your choice how you want to dab the colors. This is one technique, a very basic one, but you can create wonders with this. There is no restriction for using alcohol ink. And remember one thing, in this I have not used any blending solution. I have just used alcohol ink. I feel the green is less, so I will dab again. My red ink is loaded. This you can create n number of textures with this. See, the background is being created. Okay, if I feel I need more of red, I will again do it, and the texture is again created. So this is one way of creating a texture, and the magic will begin now. Okay, so I'll keep this aside, wait for a few minutes, like say round about a minute or so. Let this dry. Till that time I will prepare another. Alcohol ink is used on many bases. So now after this is dried, see the beautiful textures it has created. Okay, so now what I will do, this is a Boyop ink, like you use your archival inks, Versamark. This is also one type of Boyop ink. In this, the use of Boyop ink is it absorbs the ink. You can use this with stencils, with masking tapes, you can use with stamps, rubber stamps. There are many ways to use it. I am just showing a basic technique. Like, see, I have kept like this. Now I want from beneath, I want the textures to be gone. So this will lighten my colors from the background. See this. Okay, I am randomly rubbing and creating a texture beneath. See this, if it is visible to you. Can you see this? In this way I have created a background. Same way still I would want some here. Randomly you can create backgrounds for your card. Okay, let it dry. See this. Can you see the diamonds which is being created using the stencils? जितना आप डार्कली इसको करोगे उतना कलर्स निकलेगा and the effects will be seen. See this. Can you see this? It's very beautiful. Now simply you just have to decor your card. For your I am taking some other materials also. I am using a normal Fevicol. I am first taking this basic paper. I am randomly making this card, so I don't want much things. Like I have taken, this is 6 by 12 by 10 5 12 by 5 ka cardstock, which is I have made into card. Now again with this, first you have to make sure that you have to dry this very nicely. If you want to put two-way tape, you can put on sides of this also, and you can raise your card. Otherwise this is also a very fine way of doing or forming a card. See, since I am making this as a Valentine card, see this. This much also looks so beautiful. So now what I will be doing is, I will be using this Cupid like this, and I will light so, and even if I would want, I can give a caption always and forever. So this way I can create a card. I'll just stick this. This is few preparations I have done initially so that I don't waste my time. You can write the initials also in this. Here I have kept a two-way tape, and I will stick it. Okay, these are very basic cards, and I've just shown you one technique to use the alcohol ink, but trust me, there are n number of techniques to use alcohol ink. This is just basic thing which I am showing. Here I have done is, ये मैंने always and forever I have cut it, and I will just slightly I will push it up and I will stick. I am applying the glue here, and just एक side से I will just press it. This will take few minutes to stick, so I have to wait. I will to hold it up so that it sticks nicely. And since जो नीचे there is a solution which is there, तो थोड़ा time लगेगा, but that is okay, it is common. And then I am just placing this wooden heart here and there. If wooden hearts are not visible, you can even place this hearts. These are bigger hearts. If you have smaller, you can put smaller hearts. That is up to you. I'm just placing it here and there randomly. See this. On this you can write the initials of the persons you want to give. See this. The card is ready. Hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you.